Welcome to part 4, but maybe it's 5. I lost track already. I keep Joe Bidening. I can't do anything about it. It's who I am. Alright, let's see what's going on here. So that's a cool screwdriver that comes in the kit. You have the landing gear and what is this? USB for the charging. Good stuff. An extra propeller in case you break the one that comes with the bird, and some screws. I don't know what the screws are for yet. I lost my marbles, but you can never have enough screws, right? Alright, so let's see what's going on here. Turn this box around. Ooh, you have a user manual that I won't read. Cool. And this is pretty standard. Oh man, my ears. I wish they hadn't kept it in so tight. This is pretty standard.
Likey